Hi everyone, Kate here from Waste Free with Kate. Today I'm just going to do a little chat about one of our sponsors' products, and that's Pure Peony. So these guys have started providing products that go into our packs around the country, and we're loving working with them because we love the concept of their products. So not only are they 100% natural and organic, but they have these little tins. So this one here is a shampoo. And it's just got the little solid bar in there, so that's your shampoo, and you just add water and wash your hair, of course. But we love the little tin because often when you buy the solid bars, you don't have a tin to keep it in the shower, and then it goes all mushy and then it's all wasted. So this here is a great idea, and they've got all sorts of products: shampoo, conditioner. They've got a great website. We'll put a link up to the website below. But their products are made in New Zealand, and I do love the whole concept. You can just you get your pack, you get this little tin, and then you get replacement little bits of shampoo to stick in there. So fantastic little product. They also do the like Nappy balms and things like that as well. So this is a really nice little Nappy balm, and these are going into some of our like parenting packs as well. But it's really cool because it's actually unfragrant, so doesn't smell of anything, and nice and natural, and great for baby skin if you're needing to use a little bit of cream on it. It's just got peony root and zinc in it. So cool little product, and I love that it's in a little glass container that you could reuse. Like I already want it to put like my moisturiser in when I go away. Instead of taking a giant one, I could take a little weenie one. So great reusable container. But yeah, thanks Pure Peony for sending us these. Love the concept, love the product, and I know Rochelle's been using it and she just loves it. It's great for sensitive scalps and things. So yep, there you go, have a go. Hope you get one in your pack, and we'll see you guys again soon.